Happy New Year to everybody, and thank you so much for coming today. We are here, the team of Jazba, having our initial readings together as a team, and I'm very excited to work with Sanjay.
But after Visaresh now with Jazba, so how excited are you to work with Sanjay? Because he had an approach through Abhishek Bachchan, he said. Because he was so shy to come to you directly that he approached Abhishek first, then he came to you.
I think no, it's not. It's not for any other reason. I think what tends to happen is I'm obviously, justifiably, and completely besotted with my Aradhya, and I keep telling everybody in the business कि that's a lifelong thing. ना कल की बात है ना आज की बात है, वो तो हमेशा की बात रहेगी. And I think what he did was, of course, he gauged with Abhishek if I'm ready now to actually go on the floors with the movie, because जैसे कि मैं 3 साल से आप लोगों के साथ इंटरेक्ट कर रही हूँ और मैं कहती गई हूँ कि मैं स्क्रिप्ट्स पढ़ रही हूँ और आगे जाके शुरू करूँगी, लेकिन वो आगे काफ़ी आगे बढ़ता गया. And I lost track of time, completely blissed out in motherhood, and glad on it. I'm very, very glad on the time I have fruitfully spent with Aradhya. And so I think Sanjay checked with Abhishek if you're ready, and I said yes, and Abhishek told him yes.
But are you fond
And I have
of
to
Sanjay Gupta's movie?
Absolutely, absolutely. I mean that's not even a question. We're here working together. I love his work, and I'm very, very excited and looking forward to Jazba with the entire
How much the work you did to transform yourself for this film? कितना आपको अपने आप को workout करना पड़ा, change करना पड़ा?
The obsession continues.
Yeah, obsession is for life, but it's a good thing. It's a good thing. I mean, imagine now, this is what I get associated with, which is cool. No, that's not the way I look at it. It's about a film and what you need to prepare for it. And it's the director's call, what they're looking for in their character, and that's what you deliver to as an actor.
An adaptation of a foreign language film, but what it is what we're not talking about. We're contractually bound.
संजय जी, आपने क्या ब्रीफ दिया था मिसेस बच्चन को, किस तरह से उनको कैरेक्टर में आना है, कितना?
कुछ नहीं, जो फिल्म की स्क्रिप्ट है वो उनके पास है, जो फिल्म का किरदार है वो डिटेल में डिस्कस किया है, एंड शी इज वर्क अकॉर्डिंगली ऑन इट.
किस तरह से रूपरेखा रही, कुछ थोड़ा idea?
नहीं, वी नॉट गिविंग अवे एनीथिंग राइट.
उनका नाम?
वी नीड टू होल्ड बैक. कुछ नहीं, नथिंग अबाउट द फिल्म. We're starting shooting in a week's time from now.
Sir, it was supposed to have, the movie was supposed to go on social set, but it's 3 people. Are you too excited for this?
No, it's not about that. It's just that you're excited about anything. Every time you start a new venture, new film, it is there is a certain level of excitement. And for me, officially, the journey begins today. From here on, we'll start our first reading in the next 5 days. We start shooting, and then we go on.
आपकी लोकेशन बहुत अच्छी होती है सर, अलग होते हैं, यूनिक होते हैं. तो इस बार कहाँ होने वाले हैं?
इस बार आई एम हैप्पी दैट द लोकेशंस आर बॉम्बे, एंड क्योंकि फिल्म पीरियड फिल्म नहीं है लाइक माई प्रीवियस फिल्म, so it is Bombay today, and Bombay today is Mumbai today, contemporary Mumbai today with its all new skyline and all the new architecture and everything. So that is something I'm looking forward to shooting. Prakash boss, no, just location Bombay, yeah. You want?
संजय, कब तक फिल्म को आप पूरा करना चाहते हो, कब रिलीज करना चाहते हो?
फिल्म की शूटिंग अप्रैल में खत्म हो जाएगी, जून में कर्टन रेजर है और सितंबर में रिलीज है.
कुछ स्पेशल अपीयरेंस मिस्टर बच्चन की, अभिषेक की?
जी नहीं, किसी की. There no special appearance. Thank you. Have a good day.
I can only smile modestly. You're paying me a compliment, and it would be very rude of me to accept it in all humility. It's for you to make the conclusion.
But how is the reaction when Sanjay came to say that yeah, you'll be the part of the movie?
Well, I read the script. I read the script, and I liked the script. That's why I'm doing
Tell
the
us
film.
about that character.
Not allowed to speak about it.
To working with Sanjay Gupta after 18 years, and of course with Ash and Irfan, I'll be working strangely for the first time, and I'm looking forward to this film. It's an amazing script, and I don't want to call it Aishwarya's comeback film. The actors never go; they just take a break, and we're looking forward to this basically.
So, but are you fond of Sanjay Gupta's movies or his films?
I like his movies. I like the way he directs things. He's a very stylish director, and this time he's chosen a script which is based on a Korean film. I've seen the Korean film. I've read the script also. I think it's going to be fantastic.
7 days, I guess, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, it is 7 days.
So, but apart from this, you're about to shoot about in contemporary Mumbai, sir. Contemporary Bombay, sir. The one thing you like about Bombay, that's like the con.
Madness, chaos of Bombay. There are certain chapters in life you like to forget. Me being chairman of censor board, I've left behind me, and I think any film which has been sent to revising committee, I think is on the discretion of the censor board, and I think they have to decide how they should deal with this film.
So, but one thing I would like to say, sir, thank you so much for telling us that it is an adaptation of 7 days, because Sanjay was not only speaking, he was telling
Maybe I was not supposed to say that.
I think hopefully the shooting would start in another week's time, and this would be my new role probably, producing a film, and it's a great thing to produce with Sanjay. It's a great script, and I think amazing cast, and Nitinji is here, and I think we're gonna have lots of fun with Jaspa.
So, but are you gonna act also on this?
No, I'm just producing this film, and because I really enjoy the script, and I feel it's going to be one of a kick-ass thriller and an amazing action film.
And also there are reports that ऐश्वर्या जो है वो फीस नहीं ले रही है, वो कट लेगी फिल्म से, प्रॉफिट लेगी शायद.
वेल फिलहाल तो ऐसा मेरी नॉलेज में कुछ नहीं है, जहाँ तक मुझे पता है कि
Because you are the producers, that's why.
नो दैट इज़ व्हाई आई एम सेइंग, मुझे इस बारे की कोई जानकारी नहीं है, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जहाँ तक मुझे पता है, बट she is working on the film and she is quite excited to shoot another week to go, and it should be a good film.
But sir, are you fond of Sanjay Gupta's movies previously?
Oh, definitely, right from the beginning. I mean, from Atish times, he's been a fabulous director, always been out of the box, something new. He has something new to offer all the time. मतलब कुछ नया बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं, कुछ हटके करने की कोशिश करते हैं, तो that is something great to watch about him.
So your take on anything?
On what? I think there's a lot of excitement for SL Vision, which is doing very well in Marathi cinema. Would like to really now take off in Hindi as well. So I'm very excited.
And as the producers, I would just like to know what's the budget?
Well, it's definitely, I mean, such a great star cast. Yeah, please.
Let me answer two questions first about Aishwarya's fees and about the budget. You know what the mainstream film budgets are like today, you know. So it's going to be nothing less than any mainstream cinema budget. So you can imagine. Okay. So you can say that this film is going to be in the range of about 30-40 crores, whatever that normal budgets are. And we're just starting off because we are still planning quite a lot of things. As far as fees are concerned, let me tell you, Aishwarya is definitely charging less than what she normally charges. And you know, although we don't discuss commercial aspects with the media as such, and she's very excited about the project, and there is no question of charging more just because she has come back or anything. It's the excitement of the project that's lured her to this film.
Okay, Sachin sir, इस पे बॉक्स ऑफिस पे नए रिकॉर्ड बन रहे हैं, तो आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट करें, क्या ओपनिंग मिलेगी जज्बा?
नहीं, जज्बा को डेफिनेटली बहुत बड़ी ओपनिंग मिलेगी, क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स संजय गुप्ता कमिंग बैक आफ्टर वडाला, and Aishwarya has come back after a long time, and after Guzarish, and she's very excited about the film, and we all are excited. I mean, that's the reason we all are on board with this project. So we hope a huge opening for the film. On a good day, Dabangg would open on a big number. On a bad day, another film which is good but may not open to a big number. So it's all about timing and release and everything. So depend karta hai, but we definitely expect a huge opening.
Yeah, it's again a reminder how our selection panel was so kind of the film. They didn't send it for the Oscars, but the film is finding its own way, and it's again and again making its presence felt all around the world. And BAFTA is special for me because the first film, my first film which won the award was BAFTA. I went with Warrior for BAFTA, and Warrior won 2 awards. So, yeah, it's still special.
And how excited you are for today's session, Jalpa?
I'm looking forward. I'm hopeful, and I like the script. So excitement will come as the shooting will come.
Sir, upsetting that this movie of yours that has done so great across the globe but didn't even make it to the nomination list of the national awards back at home.
वो हमारा सिस्टम है, ऐसा ही है.
You will be seen in great characters, great films this year. Apart from Jazba, you also have a very realistic kind of film called Nagoda.
Nyota.
Can you tell us something about it?
न्योटा के बारे में I can't say anything right now. The film which I have films which I completed is Madari with Nishikant, Piku with Sujit Sarkar in Nyota. I'll definitely talk about in detail my experience with Mr. Bachchan, and it was special, and I never imagined in my life that I'll be facing a camera with him, sharing the screen with him, and it was one of the memorable experience. And once we start publicizing Piku, then I'll talk it in detail what was my experience.